Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing of Cartographers Heroes by John Breger and Jordy Adden and Thunderworks Games. Got the back here. I'll go ahead and bring you up so you can see it a little better. Just kind of have the setup, some of the cards, got the components list, 100 map sheets, 43 cards, 4 pencils, and a rule book. Okay. Let's cut into this plastic and see what's inside. Okay. I like the Cartographers a lot, so this is pretty much the same thing it seems like, but we have the rule book here. It's got components set up and how to play, all that good stuff. End season, scoring, a glossary or whatever that shows what all the cards do, how to combine the two games together, a solo mode, and an app. Okay. And then a 2020 catalog for their games. Role player adventures, lockup, all of that stuff. And then we have the new map sheets here. Okay. There's the back, the other side of the map sheet. We have our 4 little pencils and the deck of cards, and nothing hidden under there, so let's check out what cards come in this. If I can get the pull tab to work. Well, looks like it's gonna get cut open. Okay, this plastic off, we'll check out these cards. Okay, we've got our season scoring cards. I can't remember what they're called exactly, but our new enemy cards: Dragon Inferno, Zombie Plague, Giant Troll Ravage, and Gorgon Gaze. And then I guess these are the heroes: Dobrik of Lorkheim, Wern the Lioness, Freya the True, Dal of Jolev, and then our scoring cards, or not scoring cards, but the cards that show you what you draw on your map. But Lagoon, Pasture, Settlement, Timber Grove, Inside Terrace, Frontier Dwelling, Wildwood Garden, Woodland Crossroads, Mangrove Swamp, Coastal Encampment, Cathara's Gates. Now, the scoring cards that show you how you score your points every season. But a lot of new of those. And then the actual cards that show you which 2 of the cards are that you're scoring on that season, and what the time is, or whatever, how many cards you'll be drawing out, essentially. That's everything that comes in this game. So if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and ring the bell to keep up to date with my latest videos. And as always, have a great day.